Hello colleagues. So in this video, we're in our workspace and we're going to look at finding a quiz and linking a quiz in our resource. So this is our workspace. Select our subject and we'll use maths. And whichever subject, whether it's Caribbean, whether it's Namibian, Botswanan, Zambian, the process is exactly the same. Form 1 geography, let's try. Types of angles. Oops, and then we click on the objective to insert our lesson, add new content. So types of angles is something I'll use. And that takes me into the editor. Now remember, everything in the editor is personal. That's why it says personal up here. Click on the Go Advanced button. Click on the Insert Template. Templates up here. General OER template, OK. Close the advanced. So this is a template for my note, and I will just for the purpose here add types of angles to the title at the top. Then I would have an introduction for my note, a call to action, something that allows the student or learner or teacher to think or promotes thinking so that they can relate the resource or lesson to their personal circumstance or something that they might have seen or something that would be familiar with them as a class or as a group. Then we can have a more detailed explanation. Then we would introduce a video clip, and this section here is to give a little transcribe of the video. So what the video is about, or a little summary of it, or maybe a summary of key points, just in case there's insufficient bandwidth. As ever, 10 tips for effective digital instructional design. This is a good short video to watch as well that we've inserted here into the template. Then you can add an image. You can delete if not used. Insert a slide share or a prezi. And then you would add a link for some interactivity. And that link for interactivity would be a quiz, obviously. Add a link to a quiz, or some call it a test, or some call it an activity. Now, how would we do that? So our note is on types of angles. Now, if I went to Google, Yahoo or Bing would be exactly the same, and put in types of angles quiz. Enter. I get quite a lot of answers here. Quizzes on the end promotes Google to pull up a range of like-for-like setups. Angle types practice from Khan Academy. I'll click on one. Is the following angle acute, right, obtuse? So this looks quite good. And let's say I put in any one, right angle, get it wrong, keep trying. Stuck, watch the video or use a hint. Try again. So this is quite a useful little get it right. Here we go. Get 3 questions right in a row. Next question. So this is quite a useful little quiz. Practice angles here, okay? So this works pretty well. If you like this quiz, what we're going to do is copy the web address, right-click, copy. We go back to our note. This in the template is already highlighted. So what we would do is we would type, add a link here for some interactivity. So what I would do is delete all of that. Now click the link to practice. Quiz link. So my quiz link text could be the name of the website. Khan Academy quiz link in this case. Or you could just write quiz link or click here. Something that grabs your learner's attention. We highlight this text. Scroll to the top, go advanced, click on Insert Edit Link, and we're going to right-click and paste in that web address that we copied, okay? We're copying this web address to this area. Select Open in New Window. Okay, you have to select that to take the user to a new window to view the quiz. Click OK. Here's our link. We know it's active because it's a different color and underlined. Click Save. Close our resource. Types of angles, click on it. It opens up, types of angles. Scroll down. Khan Academy quiz link. Click on it. And here we get taken to a new tab with the Khan Academy quiz link here for the student to use. So we're adding a little bit of interactivity at the bottom. And if you note here, there are a number of different sites I could use. So spend a little time in your types of angles results. Click here to take the test and see how you progress. And see how you progress. End quiz. And it shows you how many you get right. So lots of different websites have different approaches to creating and sharing quizzes. And all we're doing is linking the student directly into this quiz. So take a look. Find the one that's most suitable. And be sure to use quizzes that are freely accessible. Try not to use quizzes that are behind a registration process. If I go back to this one, try to use ones that are interactive like this. This is very useful here. And also try to use quizzes that are not behind a registration process, as I just said, and require payment. So in this example, study.com, nice quiz here. Excuse me. Click on the angle, click next, start your free trial today. You don't want a quiz like this because the learner will have to sign up, or the user will have to sign up and register. And of course, they may have to pay a few dollars, pounds, pence, or cents, or pulas, or whatever it is, okay? So that should be our note. And that's how you would add a little quiz. So at the bottom of every resource, we have a link to some activity. So the user can read, they can relate it to them, they can watch, they can observe a big image, they can do some interactivity with a slide share or a Prezi, and they can take a little quiz. And at the end, a little reminder prompt. Okay, thanks for watching.